Today's calculus class, I'll be telling you what integration is from start to finish. Integration is a branch of calculus that deals with finding the integral or antiderivative of a function. It is the reverse process of differentiation. It is used to calculate areas, volumes, displacement, work done, and other physical quantities. Types of integration. We have the indefinite integration and the definite integration. The indefinite integration is an integral that does not have limit of integration. The outcome does not have a particular limit. B plus C is without limit because we don't know the value of x and we don't know the value of c. That is why it is called an indefinite integral. Now, the definite integral. In definite integral, we have a value for the integration. Also, in definite integral, we have a z value between two limits. There's always a z value between two limits. Now, this gives us the numerical value of what we are solving. Example, let's look at this. Integrate 2x squared with respect to the x with a boundary of 2 and 1. So when we integrate that, we now have 2x, 2 plus 1, all over 2 plus 1, with a boundary of what? 2 and 1. So that will now be equals to 2x cubed all over 3. Here is the boundary 2 and 1. So now in this boundary, we substitute 2 for the value of x in interval. Then we now subtract it from the lower limit. You see, we now have 2 points in limit. That will be equals to 2 into bracket 2 raised to the power 3 all over 3 minus 2 into bracket 1 raised to the power 3 all over 3. So when we simplify further, we will now have our answer to be 14 over 3. So you discover that in definite integral we have value, whereas in indefinite integral we don't have value. It includes an integral constant c at the end of the integration. Example is this. Integrate 3x squared with respect to the x. If we integrate this, we now have 3x. This is the power of the power plus 1 all over the power plus 1. You know, in integration, whatever power you have there, as you have power of 2, you just put plus 1 to it. You now put all over and write 2 plus 1. So now when you simplify further, you add the integral constant c to it. When you simplify further, you now have 3x cubed over 3 plus c. Now you know 3, we cancel 3 here. We now have what? S cubed plus c.